this is Arogya Setu. I think Arogya Setu was the fastest to reach 50 million. Now it's become something like about 115, 120 million.
Mr. Mohandas Pai as well as Mr. Dana Kush. How do you describe in 2 sentences or 2 words the relationship between India and Israel? In a very short, how do you, we know that we are friends, but how do you describe him?
I would start by saying very deep and growing.
Madam, you are.
It is an innovative, growing partnership.
Before we wind up, your closing statement, Mr. Mohandas Pai.
The India-Israel partnership will be the defining partnership in technology globally for this decade. Israel has something special that the rest of the world does not have. A fantastic education system, massive investment in high technology, a great set of startups, and a wonderful eye for the leading edge. So both countries will work together in cutting edge technologies which are going to lead the world, because we have got natural synergies and we are not competitors. We are cooperating with each other. Israel has a big market in India. India has access to very deep technology. Israel has access to Indian engineering. And India has an ability to partner with Israel to make cutting-edge products to lead the world. So I think this partnership is going to be the defining partnerships in technology this year and in this decade, especially since China has become a big hegemon and China is becoming a security threat for a large part of the world. And we heard of cyber security threats from China in a big way. So India, Israel will have to join together to protect India and both countries and the globe too.
Thank you so much. Her Excellency, Ms. Dana Kush, your closing statement.
I echo every word that Mohandas just said. He's an amazing honorary ambassador of Israel, and he knows the sound bites better than I can say. My only wish is to be able to greet him back home in Israel. He was supposed to arrive with his family in July 2003, a year and a half ago, almost 2 years, and now we live in a new normalcy. And I do hope that him and other amazing people that you have in your incredible India will come, and Israelis will come here, and we'll be able to really rejoice partnership, our strategic partnership, because the bond between our two nations is a remarkable one, and we can do wonders together for both the citizens of our nation and the next generation of ours, and for the entire world.
Thank you so much. We all will travel to Israel very soon. We are very grateful to Her Excellency Ms. Dana Kush and Padma Shri C.V. Mohandas Pai that you were able to take time, share your views on wide range of issues on 2 great countries during this pandemic with us, and we are very grateful by your talks. I take this opportunity to thank you from the entire family of Sphere Travel Media and Exhibitions to join this webinar. Audience, see you in the next episode of webinar. Thank you, speakers. Thank you for joining us. Good day.
Thank you. Thank you, Dana. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, madam.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.